guys, we are about to leave St. Augustine and head out. Weather is picking up, so it's not that great. Clearly I'm freezing. It's so cold outside. Guys, I can't deal with this cold. Just crossed another bridge, and it's shutting behind me. Dun, 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 dun. There it is! It's the bridge! Alright guys, so the throttle just got stuck. Austin went downstairs to check it out, see what's going on. With Captain Jim, they're trying to figure out what the issue is. So, that's not good. So I'm just maintaining course and speed. Well, I don't really have a choice in the speed matter, but that's what's going on, and just a little update for you guys. Another beautiful sunset, but our throttle's still not working, so we have to manually turn it up and down. But we're about to anchor right now, and then we're gonna figure it out. So, what do you think, Austin?
I don't know.
Always something, guys, always something. But it's all good. You live and you learn.
Well, it ain't gonna fall out.
Yeah, it's not gonna fall out, but it's trying to get it fixed.
So what happened?
Well, while we were working on the throttle problem, I noticed this pin in the steering was half out. It's further down in than what it was.
Yeah.
A couple more wraps.
So we don't know what the problem with the
Throttle. That's what I'm thinking, but I can't hardly tell.
Look at that thing.
Well, that takes that whole side up, so you can get down further in there. I see exactly what happened.
What happened?
The set screw just came undone.
What does that look like?
Yeah, we need to push this outer housing up to where it's all the way up in here, and then tighten that set screw down.
Nice. Alright. One of us went to the bottom and pushed up on the throttle cable while the other one tightened the set screw, because the set screw came loose and the throttle cable fell out of the set. So now it's working and we have throttle, which is a stress relief.
Way too early. I'm like so tired still, but I'm cooking breakfast. I'm making some boiled eggs. Yummy. I'm trying to figure out how to make toast without a toaster, which they say you can broil it, but my oven doesn't have a broiler, so I'm gonna use Google and see what's going on. But that's what's going on. We're gonna have a long day today on the water. I'm supposed to get back offshore tomorrow, as long as weather's good, because we had to take the ICW due to bad weather, because we needed to make it to Fort Lauderdale in time. So to do that and to get there, we had to take the ICW, which we didn't really want to take, but you know, it is what it is. champions.
All right, issue number 2, engine started overheating and we broke a fan belt. So new one out right here, and we're waiting for the engine to cool off. Then we'll go in there.
It looks like the boys fixed the belt, and I had to keep watch to make sure we didn't drift into the docks. So I'm always on watch. It is what it is. So, and I kept on seeing dolphins, but they just wouldn't come up. I think they're camera shy because right when I got my camera out, they'd leave.
It's too loose.
We're doing a steady 6.5 knots. We're motoring. We were on the ICW, and because it was bad weather and we were going to go offshore, but due to bad weather we didn't. So hopefully tomorrow the weather clears up and we can go back offshore. And then we should be in Fort Lauderdale by Monday. And it is Sunday. No, we'll be there Tuesday morning if everything goes to plan. We've only had a few hiccups during the way. One of the hiccups is our throttle got stuck. The fan fell on the engine, broke. There's some things that when we get to Fort Lauderdale we're gonna stock up on for our journey. So when things occur we don't have to like go to the store. Because it is convenient when you're, you know, in the States and you can just go and grab something, but when you're out of the country it's a lot harder, so we're gonna definitely stock up on a lot of things.
We're cruising down the ICW right now, and the weather turned rainy and you can't really see much. You doing good, Nick?
Alright, we're about to pull into the mooring field and we're gonna raft off with another boat.